So hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you need your AC 1099K for taxes. It's way easier than you think. So if you qualify, AC provides your basically form directly in your account. All you're gonna do is go access it from your shop manager. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go and answer all of your questions, including how to download your 1099K from Etsy.com or the app. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So first and first, we're gonna go open our device, make sure we are fully connected to the internet. We're gonna go and look for Etsy.com. So tap on the website, then come here, log in using our email address and password to access this dashboard. Now, we're gonna go tap on Shop Manager as I told you, then look for Finances. Select Legal and Tax Information, then find the 1099K section. Click Download next to the tax year you need, then your form will download as a PDF. As a bonus tips, the form is issued if you meet reporting threshold. Compare it with your yearly sales report as well to make sure everything is looking fine. Then download it early before the tax deadlines. It's very important to do so. And that's the whole idea here. So as I told you, all you're gonna do if you want any important information, go through the shop manager and look for it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.